Over the years, the Northeast India has produced many talents and at the same time has acquired high literacy rate. However, due to limited facilities and infrastructure setups, many people, especially the youngsters, remain unemployed. In a bid to tackle the unemployment issue, the state of Manipur introduced Make in Manipur scheme to generate job opportunities and create platforms for the unemployed youths. Amongst the Make in Manipur products, shoe manufacturing units in the state are also training local men and women and making them a skilled employee. Lesham Chamba Singh, the proprietor of Super Shoes Factory, is one such entrepreneur who organizes workshops and trains both men and women hailing from different parts of the state. Founded in 1976 and later registered in Khadi and Village Industries Commissioner Imphal under shoe manufacturing cottage industry in the year 2011, Chamba has trained over 500 individuals in making shoes.
Directly habatare employees mi trampan muktawi aduga indirectly mi tara ma kunma di tara mukti leira pot sai se khoi finished production ji mapanda muk thadok pa chatpa khotpa adagi manipur ge khoi kakching thauban moirang adagi khoi gi hujik leiba yairi pok adagi mapan khoi de su men marom de su khoi thadok pa pot lei manipur gi district tamelong okhul na chingba de su khoi kangbu pin na chingba de su khoi thadoi.
Presently employs 19 artisans, Chamba's company excels in producing handmade and knitted shoes and sandals for ladies especially.
Suba Sahi Tataret Musori Sub. Koi Munumpu, Copa Sigi, Kogi like the Larakana, Siam Mating Toy, quite a season. Koi Nupigi Kup and the Nupagi did Sapalgumba Kayumba Krasai, Nupigi am the Jansuri.
Shoemaking has become a thriving business due to ever-increasing demand from the consumers in the state and a country as a whole. Such novelty steps and ventures add another feature to its cap in Make in Manipur scheme. Chamba is not just another successful artisan but also someone who has transformed the lives of many underprivileged men and women by training them and making them financially independent.
Masidi yam chauna kanare jek thabak phamgaba naham yam dasu yam kanare ne khoi su yam kanare habde hoje khoi phangba amount se tha amada sing tram pande kumathoi kuni thoi phawa kanna suba mi gidi phangba ngam masidi yamna komna hingba ngam ga lo.
Setting up such ventures and the success stories inspire and motivate the startup companies and also give a pulling string to the youths for better livelihood.